In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Jeep Commander key fob. This key fob was used on Commanders between 2006 and 2010 and takes one CR2032 battery. You can get one of these batteries online. I'll leave a link in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple bucks, and just follow along and you'll have a perfectly working key fob in no time. You don't need to pay anyone to do this. So go ahead and take a little screwdriver and locate this little slot next to the key here. You can see that. If you don't have a screwdriver small enough, like this one, you can get some of these micro screwdrivers, precision screwdrivers on Amazon, just for a couple bucks. They're really handy around the house. I'll leave a link in the description for that. So whatever you can find to fit in there, we're just going to insert and twist until it starts to come apart like that. Really easy. You can just finish it off pulling it with your fingers, or you can work your way around the other side, just carefully removing, carefully twisting until it comes off like that. Now just pull off this little rubber part carefully. There's the circuit board in there. And now we have access to the battery. You can just take a tool to gently lift out the battery. Take a new CR2032. Make sure the positive side is face down, like that. And just position this back. Push it down. Super easy. Now we just put everything back together. Take your rubber part. Set it in place until it's snug. And then just click this back on top of it. And that's it. Super simple. If you found this helpful, feel free to leave a comment or a like, and go to fobbattery.com for other guides like this for other makes and models. Thank you for watching.